Hello everyone. Today we will look at 5 actions after dinner that prolong life. Like the video so you help develop the channel. Enjoy watching after a meal. It is useful not to forget about some habits that improve the condition of the body and increase life expectancy. After dinner, most people prefer to rest, but this rest can be done and is useful thanks to some actions. A slow walk helps food to be better digested and absorbed. However, it is better not to switch to a fast walk and not to do physical exercise immediately after dinner. This can harm the body. Rinsing your mouth will help avoid various diseases of the oral cavity and improve digestion. Abdominal massage. If you do a massage half an hour after eating, it is better for digestion. In addition, this habit improves the state of the nervous system. For massage, you need to move your palm around the navel with light and smooth movements, 20 circles on the other side, that is, clockwise and counterclockwise. Listening to music, light and calm music is suitable. According to traditional Chinese medicine, it helps to improve the functioning of the digestive system. Give up night peri courses if you abuse it, you can easily gain extra pounds. It's also better not to overeat in the evening. It's better to finish dinner sometime before you feel completely full. I hope this video was useful for you. Like it and be sure to subscribe to the channel until we meet in the next video.